Okay, so for our Saxon today, we know that we have a new letter, and when we have a new letter, we always skywrite before we actually do the writing. So we have a capital W and a lowercase w. So wake up your skywriter. He's sleeping. Go ahead and pull him out, and remember that whenever we trace or write a capital W, where do we start? At the top, the middle, or the bottom? The top, right? So we go all the way from the top, we go down and touch the line, back to up to the middle, down and touch the line, and all the way back up. Let's try it again. Start at the top, down and up to the middle, down, all the way back up to the top. That is a capital W. A lowercase w, do we start at the top, the middle, or the bottom? The middle. So when we have a lowercase w, we start in the middle. We go down and touch the line, back up to the middle, down and touch the line, back up to the middle. We never go to the top of the line. Let's try it again. Start in the middle, go down and touch the line, back up to the middle, down and touch the line, back up to the middle. Do not cross that dashed line. Let's pretend it's there. Okay, so I have a game for you. After you have traced your letter W with your skywriter a couple times and you feel like you are ready to start writing, remember, when we have a new letter, we are going to write it 5 times each so that we have this memorized inside our brain. So every time we hear the sound and we're actually writing sentences, we already know how to write the letter. So practice, practice, practice the letter W. Something cute that you could do, I don't know if you guys have chalk, but if you do have chalk, you can go outside and write capital and lowercase w's on a fence or on the concrete, sidewalk, wherever your mom or dad says you can. And you could grab a water bottle, like a spray bottle. And if you don't have one, you can grab like the water hose that has like a little spray nozzle on it. And you can write all of your capital W's. You could spray them with water, or you could go back and say capital W, the one that you wrote, and you can erase it with the water hose, or you can erase it with your spray bottle. And then same thing with lowercase. You can write a lowercase one, spray it, erase it, spray it with the water hose. Whatever it is you have available, I just want you guys to use some things that we would do in class, not just paper pencil, okay? So let's get the letter W memorized into our brain so that we remember what it looks like when we're writing. I know that I memorized it because my name starts with it, but it may not be in your name, so it's important to practice. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do is play a game. I'm going to say part of a word, and I want you to add the woo, which is the W, right? Sound to it at the beginning. So I'm going to give you a word, and well, maybe it's not a word, just a part of a word. And I'm going to start with A. So I want you to add woo to the beginning of it. So it would be woo, A, way. The next one would be axe. Add woo, you have woo, axe, wax. Aid, woo, aid, wade. Et, woo, et, wet. End, woo, end, wind. Alt, woo, alt, waltz. All, woo, all, wall. Add, woo, add, wad. Arm, woo, arm, warm. And then ud, woo, ud, wood. Good. All right, we already went over our Saxon letter card deck, so we don't have to do that part. The only thing that I want you to really do today is practice how to write the letter W, both lowercase and capital or uppercase. And that is all that we have today for our Saxon. I will see you guys soon.